To install EZY to track your AI visits, go to your WordPress login, move your mouse over plugins, add plugin, and just search for EZY, EZY up here. As soon as you see EZY, click install now, and then press activate, and that's it. EZY is now installed. Now, move your mouse over EZY-AI on the left in the navigation here, and EZY is going to sit, track, and wait for any AI visits to come to your website. So let's give this a quick test. Please give me some links from the website, neuralays.com. This is the domain name that I'm checking right now. And here are some links from the website. So if we go back to your WordPress login page, you'll see that as soon as I press refresh, that EZY has tracked ChatGPT crawlers to the website before a human has even entered. So if we now click on one of the links, any link here would do, and we say, yep, we're happy to open this link on the website that we're testing, and we go back to WordPress, press refresh, and you can now see here an AI referred human visit, that was me, from ChatGPT just came. So now you can see that you can track all of your AI visits from Bing, Claude, ChatGPT here. Now, you can go a little bit further under EZY-AI on the left. If you click on widgets, you can actually generate and upload your robots.txt to allow all of these AI crawlers to access your website. So I've just synced it, press view, and you can see here that on neuralays.com/robots.txt, all of these AI crawlers have been allowed to access your website. Now, if you want to go a little bit further, you can actually connect here. Just go to EZY-AI, create an account, click on integrations, and you can enter your 6-digit code from WordPress, and then you can connect the more detailed EZY dashboard to your WordPress. And these 3 widgets you can use completely free. LLMs.txt you can generate and upload. The same as your sitemap, you can generate and upload. And you can also use EZY Capture, which is an AI assistant on your website for up to 10 messages a day. Everything else, the content engine and the back-end work behind the sitemap where we publish to Bing and Google Search Console and all of the tracking of the prompts is available on the Pro version, which is $29 a month. So just as a reminder, the analytics and these 3 widgets are free forever on WordPress, but connect your account whenever you're ready for the full automation and content features.